So first, we're going to talk about our social CRM. It's the world's first all-in-one contact management system for both personal and business use. You can literally manage every single one of your relationships, personal and business, in one place seamlessly with ease. Number two is our patent pending newsfeed. We call it the Magic Newsfeed. It is a 5-in-1 universal newsfeed. It literally does everything. It does syndication, it does channels, it does files, photos, videos, it does everything. It is amazing technology. The third is our universal profile. You can showcase your resume, your portfolio of photos, videos, files, your news, all in one place and with all permission-based settings on all content. So you can give all the people who are looking at your profile different permissions. One profile does it all. Last, but certainly not least, this month we announced our Pro features. It is, again, another universal technology that is geared towards helping to automate the relationship management process for startups and small business, for recruiters, for marketers, and for any single person who just wants better networking tools. So here we are, number one, social CRM. The easiest way to explain Webtalk's patent pending social CRM is to think of it as a Facebook meets LinkedIn meets virtual Rolodex. It has a built-in contact management system and dual personal and professional networking built into one extremely powerful platform to give you back control over your relationships, your content, your communication, and your time, which ultimately equals your online life. The process starts from connections. You'll add a connection like you would anywhere else, but here you can simply segregate whether you know them professionally or personally or both. Now, when you do, it gives them a built-in file tree for managing professional connections based on not just how you know them, whether they're clients or vendors or classmates, but also tied to companies. And you can add keywords at the connection process, and these keywords become searchable. The keywords then can be changed at any time by editing them, and you can add a keyword here. So if you also want to control what you see, you can put a person into your inner circle by adding a 5 value or outer circle by -5. So every time you log in, the most important content shows up first. Every time you do a recommendation search, that content comes in first. So you see what's important to you. Notes are extremely powerful and they're also searchable. You can add notes for each individual on a personal or professional basis. So personally, this is really handy when you want to add the names and birth dates of somebody in your network's family members. So like their spouse, their children, things that are hard to remember. You can add these notes simply by just typing and hit enter. And it gives you timestamp notes. This is also very powerful for business because you can take anything from a conversation or anything about the person's profile, anything of value, and create notes with it. And eventually, for pro members, we're going to tie these notes, these values, these tags into almost every major CRM. So you'll be able to export them to every CRM. When you share news, you can attach a file, a photo, or a video. You can post to public like a blog or Twitter, all contacts, professional like a LinkedIn, personal like a Facebook, or to custom groups, which is very similar to a Slack channel. Here you're able to say, all right, I want to post to prospective clients at a company, add that channel. But here's where it really gets powerful. You can choose to send the same message to multiple groups at the same time. So if I want to send the same thing to prospective investors, now let's say this information is confidential, I can mark it as confidential and it'll put a confidential stamp on it and completely remove the share function. If I want to add my friends as well, I could do that and let them see. So you can post to multiple channels at one time and hit select and it turns over to custom groups. One of my other favorites is that we color coded everything. So you'll notice there's all different colors. So based on the color is letting you know that you're posting to a different group and the buttons change, the border changes. So it gives you a little bit of visual interpretation here that you're posting to a specific network or group. You can also take the same post and send it not just to your contacts on Webtalk, but to Slack, to Twitter, to Facebook, and to LinkedIn all at the same time. And if you're a pro member, you can turn on a spotlight post and you can send it to their email as well. So it'll go out at like an email newsletter, like a MailChimp. We're talking the most powerful communication tool ever built in social media. Now, when you want to view your news, it's just as powerful. If you want to just come into and say, I only want to see content from my professional contacts, or I only want to see it from my friends. That's it. Just friends, add that channel, and boom. Now I've got an entire news feed of what my friends are talking about. Now let's say I want to go even further. I don't want to see everything my friends are posting about. I only want to see their cool videos. Click on videos and your whole feed filters over to just the posts that have videos inside of them. And videos play directly.
Hello, my name is Kira, and my name is Alina.
Extremely powerful technology. But now let's say, let me get out of custom groups and I want to go to all news again, or I can go to top news and see what's trending, which is one of my posts here, talking about what's trending. But now let's say I want to go to turn off video and I want to search Warren Buffett posts. I click on enter after typing, and here's all the posts about Warren Buffett. So everything that I want to see from my network about Warren Buffett pops up instantaneously. Again, one of the most powerful tools on the planet for managing all of your communication. One of the things I absolutely love the most about Webtalk is our universal profiles. It allows you to showcase you the way you want the world to see you. It doesn't matter if you're the CEO of a corporation or you're an everyday professional looking to advance your career and get new clients, or you are an author that is trying to reach more readers, or you're a preacher trying to reach the world with prayer, or you're an entertainer trying to reach the world with music. It does not matter, because Webtalk allows you to showcase you the way you want the world to see you. Editing your profile is simple. Click edit, change your tagline, upload a background image, and change the opacity, which is the background color. Make it lighter or darker, and you have yourself a fully responsive, customizable website just for you. Everything you post to your newsfeed shows up right on your profile based on its permission settings. So when people visit your profile, they only see what's intended for them to see. You also have file galleries, photo galleries, and video galleries, all showcased right on your profile. You can display your work, you can display your life, you can display anything you want to display. You are in complete control. On your profile, you can choose to use the default virtual resume that's there, or you can use simple HTML to customize your profile. Editing is simple. Click the pencil icon, edit your content, click the check mark to save. Changing permissions is simple as well. Click on the privacy icon and choose public, context only, professional, personal, or only me. Use the crossbow to drag and drop and organize your profile any way you want to. You are in control with Webtalk's Universal Profiles. This month, we're extremely excited to announce the launch of our Pro Premium feature service. It's a universal subscription for both personal and professional use that gives you a highly valuable suite of premium features starting for under $20 per month. The Pro CRM features offer deal makers and entrepreneurs more organization of your contacts to easily manage your current and prospective customers, investors, vendors, partners, team members, and recruits. Your contacts will be placed into an easy-to-use file tree for quick searchability and assigned to a dedicated newsfeed group channel to send and receive updates with your specific groups. Simply add custom tags for departments, industries, services, and more to provide an instant searchable subgroup for all contacts. Private messages are a great way to reach new people when you are marketing, hiring, investment raising, or simply looking to make new friends. Pro messaging enables you to contact people you aren't connected to on Webtalk. When you are connected, those messages are free. Spotlight posts are unique to Webtalk. When you have something important to say, you want to make sure it's heard. Spotlight posts will help by sending both email and internal push notifications to all of your contacts at once when you post a new update. You can also send Spotlight posts to specific groups like your friends or clients. Be heard with Spotlight posts. Tired of seeing ads? No worries.
to go away when you upgrade with Pro. This is obviously one of the most talked about topics across social media right now about advertisements and tracking. We solve that problem when you go to Pro. Want to know who's checked out your profile? As a Pro subscriber, you can. Go Pro and get the complete list of everyone who's ever visited your profile. Want to visit someone's profile without them knowing? With Pro Platinum, you can. When you upgrade to Pro Platinum, you can browse all Webtalk users without them knowing. You can turn stealth off on demand when visiting any profile when you want them to know you checked them out. Go Pro Platinum today to go stealth. No matter if you're using Webtalk personally or professionally, Advanced Search will help you locate who you want to meet. You can search for anyone by location, job title, or if they're seeking work, or even by age range or gender. No matter who you're looking to find, Advanced Search can help. Webtalk offers a lot of extremely valuable features for a very low cost, and it gets even lower. For anyone who signs up for Webtalk today, while we wrap up our beta testing, we are giving all of you a limited time offer. You'll get 50% off for life our Pro Platinum package. If you prepay for the year, what would normally be $400 per year is now only $200 a year. The coupon gets applied right at the checkout. So sign up for Webtalk today and go Pro to take advantage of this unbelievable deal. I'll see you on the inside.
Thank you everybody for joining us tonight. It means the world to us. After 8 years and $7 million, we're still not done giving you amazing technology. This month, we're happy and excited to announce the launch of our Affiliate Rewards program. So when you join Webtalk, invite everybody you know